Hi, it's Andrea from Envision Partnership. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Xero to raise fantastic quotes for your clients. Quotes in Xero are brilliant to use for a number of reasons. Firstly, they look really professional. Secondly, it'll save you lots of time in the long run, which I'll explain how shortly. And finally, like everything in Xero, it's really easy. So let's take a look. If we head to business and go to quotes, and to start a new quote, we click on new quote. Now you'll recognize the screen as it looks pretty similar to the sales invoice screen that you'll be familiar with. So in the customer screen, customer box, I'm going to write ABC Furniture with today's date, and I'll expire it. I'll have the expiry date as the end of the month. Now here you can either type in the description and the quantity and unit price, or if it's something you're going to do regularly, you can add as an item to save time in the future. So in this case, I'm going to add an item. And the item code, I'm going to add a support contract. So I'll call it A support with the item name as annual support. The unit price is £225. And the sales account, I'll search for sales. It automatically adds on VAT if you're VAT registered. And if you're not VAT registered, that will show as no VAT. And then save. And every time I need to use that line item, it brings up everything automatically, which saves you time, as I mentioned earlier. I'm going to delete that line, and then my quote is ready. I can either save that to look at later, or I can send straight away to my client. I'm going to send it. So if I click send, it brings up an email automatically to the client. And in here, I can change the body of the email if I want to say anything more. I can either allow it to send me a copy or not send me a copy, and then send. And that's the quote sent to my client. Now, this is the bit that's going to save time. So we'll say the client has accepted the quote. So we mark as accepted. And straight away, it asks us, do we want to create an invoice? So with one button, we can create an invoice for the client. And it brings in all of the details from the quote. You can change it if you need to, if the date was different to the date you accepted it, but I'll keep it the same. And then I can send this straight to the client. And again, I can change this email if I want to. I can ask it to send me a copy or attach a PDF. And then I click send. And that's it. The invoice has been sent to the client directly from the quote, and it's all seamless and very, very quick and easy. And that's how we use quotes in Xero.